In this video, we'll be installing a 400 amp copper mechanical lug kit onto a NQ 400 amp panelboard. The first step in the process is to remove the lugs from the panelboard. Next, we'll get the hardware from the hardware bag assembly. The hardware is organized by A, B, and C phase and the neutral, and the torque required for each connection is on the hardware card. Next, we'll install the neutral lug using the last two pieces of hardware on the hardware card. The last step is to torque each connection based on the torque shown on the hardware card.